Hi, so how do we request for nursing services as a doctor? Now, there are two things involved here. We have this nursing service here. Once you click on it and you click on request service, you pick the service type. In this case, let me say wound dressing, diagnosis, which is not compulsory, and then the note for whether will be handling this particular patient. So let me just use XYZ notes as an example, and then I click on save. Right. So once this is done, the nurses gets this particular patient on your dashboard for this particular service. So as simple as that, this is how we request for nursing services, right? Now another thing is there are some follow-ups too that are like prescription follow-ups. Remember what we did earlier was a wound dressing, but for prescriptions, right? Once you click on add drug, and then we select what applies. Let me just choose something that applies, and then we fill in our data as usual, right? Um, so after doing all of this, we have something called the follow-up medication. So this allows us to, once this is being checked, it means that this particular medication we are giving this patient, we are notifying the nurses that this patient has to um, come back to the facility for a follow-up of this particular medication, right? And it will be there on their own decks to also document. So once you check this box, it sees this particular medication as a follow-up. We click on add to order as we used to, and then we send to pharmacy as we would do, right? And that is how we request for both nursing services and then nursing follow-ups, medication follow-ups for our patients. Thank you.